Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone setting. In this video friends we will talk about guys how can we disable vibrate ringing setting in our Samsung phone. Friends you want to disable guys your vibrate while ringing setting. So how can you disable in your Samsung phone? In this video friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So when first of all we will on our phone setting to disable this vibrate while ringing setting. Then when scroll friends you can see this type of setting in your Samsung mobile. So when you will have to scroll and guys click on guys your sound and vibration setting. After on guys sound and vibration setting guys scroll friends you can see your vibrate while ringing setting friends. You want to disable guys you can disable from this right side. So we will click on this right side icon. Vibrate while ringing setting will disable, then guys your phone will not vibrate while ringing. So like that guys you can disable your vibrate while ringing setting in your Samsung phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video with new another topic. So bye bye, take care. Before going please go and like the video.